Hello guys, this is Pen Vigor here, and I'm here to show you a tutorial on how to set up your PTZ. First, when you get your package, you're going to see these things right here, and this is zoom camera and your PTZ motor, your PTZ dome, your wall mount bracket, clear glass, AC24V power supply, and your user manual. The first step of our tutorial is to show you how to link your PTZ to your DVR. Take notice, some of the supplies used in our tutorial are not included in the package. Now there's two cables to our PTZ camera. One cable is our video cable, and another cable consists of our power wires and the control wires. In some situations, you might need a longer extension cable just to connect your PTZ back to your DVR. But as far as our tutorial goes, we're going to use a shorter cable just for demonstration. Now the first part, we're going to connect our video cable into our extension cable. Now we're going to connect the other side of our extension cable into camera 1 port of our DVR. After we're done with our video cable, we have to connect our control wires. Our control wires, also known as RS485, has a positive and negative charge to it. In our PTZ, the yellow wire is the negative charge, and the white wire is the positive charge. Although for now the yellow means negative and the white means positive, this does not mean the yellow will always be negative and the white will always be positive. The important thing is for you to look for yourself and remember which color is going to be positive and which color is going to be negative for the time when you're doing your own installation. Due to the fact that when everyone's installing their PTZ camera, the distance of their DVR would be different. So you will always need an extension cable while you're installing. As far as our tutorial goes, we're going to use a shorter extension cable just for demonstration. For your extension cable, you could use a Cat5 cable and just use one pair of the Cat5 cable to connect with your control wires. To start, you want to link up each positive and negative wires. Afterward, you want to use your electrical tape to tape over each positive and negative, so the positive and negative would not touch each other afterwards. Now you can see that the positive and negative are all linked up with electrical tape over each of them, so they would not touch each other. After you're done with that, you have to link the other side of your extension cable into the positive and negative end of your DVR system. When you plug in your negative and positive wires, be sure to plug in the same wire as you did on the other side of the extension cable. Also, be sure to check your DVR user manual to know which port is positive and which port is negative. Another important thing you should take away from this tutorial is that the names on top of your port might be different from what's actually under. So you have to count the number of the port and the order of the name from left to right in order to find the correct positive and negative. Now you can see that the positive and the negative end of this extension wire is connected with your DVR system. After you're done with your RS485, now it's time for you to connect your AC24V power supply into your Now all you have to do is to use this plier here and cut the wire open. Now you can see when you're done, you should get this. And of course, you need your electrical tape over your positive and negative end of your wires. Now you can do the same thing to the other side of your extension cable into your PTZ. Remember, if you're installing your PTZ outside where rain or snow might be possible, make sure your power cable is somewhere that water cannot touch, so your PTZ wouldn't be messed up afterward. When you're done, you should see something similar to this. However, this is just a demonstration, and while you're installing outdoor, you probably need more protection over your power cable. In this switcher, 1 to 6 is your address, 7 to 9 is your baud rate. Our default setting of address is 1, and protocol is Pelco D, and the baud rate is 2400 bits per second. Now we're going to talk about our PTZ Dome. Your PTZ Dome has heater and browser, and those needs power, of course. So we're going to connect the AC24V wire into the PC board on your PTZ. After you're done, it should look something similar to this. Now we're going to show you how to set your PTZ and DVR to the same protocol. Just follow along as we finish the process of setting our protocol, and you will get the right result. Now we're going to demonstrate how to use your DVR to control your PTZ. You can double click Iris and go into your camera's menu and change the setting.